This is a simple demonstration of my stepper motor that I'm controlling with the Microchip Explorer board here. You can see I kind of have it set in the home position here, and what I've programmed it to do is to rotate 180 degrees, then rotate 180 degrees back, and then do that one more time and stop. And it'll do that when I press this button here. So let's see. Alright, so I'm going to press there and we'll see it start. And you can see I just mounted it in a shoebox here and tacked on a little arrow. Okay, so there it stopped. It's going back the other way now. And it should go back and do this once more. I've also set it up so the other button will essentially stop and reset this, so we'll see that in a second. Okay, so when this gets to the top, if it's working right, it'll just stop. Yeah, and that is the idea. It would probably even be easier just to have it go forever, but in an industrial situation, for example, you might set it, so it goes for 15 hours then stops. And what if it stops in the middle of the night? Well, you'd want it to stop. You wouldn't want it to keep going. If you're mixing something, sometimes you need time for everything to settle down. So I'll do it once more. Oh, you can actually see it, which buttons I'm pressing. So I'll press it, and then if I press this other one, it stops and resets. So that sets everything to 0. It sets the counter to 0, and you'll go back to the beginning. So this will go, 180 degrees, then back, and it'll do what it did before. But say you wanted to set a new home or a new starting point. I'm just pressing this other one to get it started. I can reset. I can press here, then I can reset. I can press here, and it's kind of nice to have it in an upright position. So from there I could start it again and it would go through its sequence. So that's more or less it. Of course, this is a stepper motor and the driver board is there. I set the outputs 1 through 4 because the inputs on the driver board are 1 through 4, so I thought that would just be simple. And the power comes externally. It's just 9 volts, and yeah, it's more or less it. This thing's still going. I think it'll stop in a second here. Yep. Alright.